Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade almond milk. So let's get started. For the ingredients, there are only 3 things that you will need. I will list all the ingredients in the description below, and you're gonna see how easy it is to make this almond milk at home. First thing you will need are the almonds. I really like these almonds made by Kirkland's. I get them from Costco. They are really good. It's a great package for a great price, and you can have more than 11 cups of almonds from this package here. Next, if you want to add a little organic sugar or a natural sweetener, feel free to include 1 pitted date. I use the organic sun-dried dates. I also purchased them from Costco, and they're a great brand and a great quality. They're gluten-free and nut-free. And last but not least, you will need some filtered water. And the first step is soak the almonds in the fridge overnight or for a couple of hours. Next, using a blender, you start including all the ingredients. First, add the almonds, which were soaked. Now you add the date, and also include the water. Oops, I spilled some water here. Don't do that. Once all the ingredients are inside, you can start blending it. You should blend for 2 to 3 minutes max. Look at these guys, it's so foamy and creamy. It's absolutely delicious. I'm telling you, you gotta try this. Once you're done blending for 2 to 3 minutes, now you're gonna need a jar just like this one or any other jar, and also you will need a nut milk bag. I ordered mine from Amazon, so I'm gonna link that below so you can see the one that I got. And then you will put your nut bag inside of this jar, and slowly I will start pouring all the contents of the blender inside the jar. So once the liquid is all inside the bag, what you have to do, you put this up on top and you start twisting. That's how you're going to strain the whole milk and leave the pulp inside. So be sure to strain out all the liquid until there is only almond pulp left in the bag. Also, be sure to save the almond pulp in a separate container. Do not throw that away. We will be using these for another great recipe that I will link below in the description. So there is no waste here, guys. Keep the pulp, okay? In order to store your almond milk, you will need a bottle just like this. I got this glass bottle from Target. I will leave the description below which one. This fits almost like 2 liters, and it's great because it keeps the milk fresh for a few days in the fridge. So guys, this is basically 1 liter. And if you also want a little bit more, you just duplicated the recipe. So for 1 cup of almonds, you use 1 liter of water. I usually do 2 cups of almonds and 2 liters of water, so that lasts me for a few days. So that's it. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe, and leave me a comment below and let me know if you try it out in your own home and if you liked it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe so we can stay connected. See you in my next video.